Once again, welcome to my class. In today's lesson, we will contrast compound from mixture, distinguish compound and mixture, and awareness on the proper handling of hazardous compound and mixture. On this lesson, the students must know the song Compound and Mixture. Let us analyze the song. The first stanza states that compound and mixture can be differentiated by its components, proportion, properties, method of separation, boiling point, and melting point. Let's find out how compound and mixture are differ in terms of components and properties. It is said that compound is a combination of two or more elements. Let's take this as an example. Sodium is an element combined with another element which is chlorine. They will produce sodium chloride or salt. Another example is hydrogen and oxygen produce water. When two or more compounds combine, a mixture is formed. In short, element plus element equals compound, and compound plus compound equals mixture. Let's take a look on the property. Sodium is an element that explodes on contact with water. Chlorine is poisonous, but when these two elements combine, they can be used to improve the taste of the food. Hydrogen is a colorless gas that burns easily, while oxygen is a gas needed for burning. We can also breathe in oxygen, but when these two elements combine, we can use this in putting out fire and we cannot breathe in water. You see, the properties of the compound is very much different from the properties of the elements that combine. In the case of mixture, no new substance is formed. When you mix salt and water, the properties of those compounds remain. You can still get salt and water through physical means. In case of boiling point, the boiling point of the compound increases then become constant, while mixture keeps on changing all the time, or the boiling point is different at all times. In melting point, the song states that the mixture takes a wider range while the compound takes shorter range, meaning the compound takes short period of time to melt completely while the mixture takes longer period of time to melt completely. In order to separate compound, chemical means is used. Flotation reagents is very common in mining. They use chemicals in order to separate gold from other elements. Another method is electrolysis. This is used to separate hydrogen and oxygen in water. While in mixture, physical means is being used. Some of the methods are the following: panning, filtration, decantation, fractional distillation, physical manipulation, distillation, and even evaporation. Some of the mixture and compounds are dangerous to our health. That is why we have to consider the safety precautions in handling chemicals. Likewise, proper waste management must be strictly implemented to protect our nature. It's time to evaluate your understanding. Let's have a guessing game. Guess whether the given example is compound or mixture. Vegetable salad, atmosphere, hydrogen peroxide, assorted candies, magnesium sulfate, sugar, iron sulfide, seawater, Did you know that a solid can be dissolved in another solid? Many metals that we use is actually alloys. For example, gold is alloyed with copper since gold is too soft to use. Stainless steel is an alloy of chromium and iron. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. And bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. There is a way of growing plants without soil. This is known as hydroponics. In this method, the plant's roots are kept immersed in water, which the minerals needed by plants have been dissolved. Only the right minerals in the exact amount are kept in solution to ensure that the plants get what they need. Thank you for watching and listening. See you next time.